Now, these diamond problems are a strategy to help us factor trinomials. So what happens if I got x squared plus 9x plus 20, first of all, nothing goes in all three of them, does it? So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to make two binomials. And what happens is I have to get x squared, so I'm going to put x and x as my first term. I know my two terms have to multiply to 20, and then when I multiply, use my double distributive, they have to add to my middle term. So that's your diamond problem. So I'm saying, geez, what two numbers multiply to 20 and add to 9? Well, 4 times 5 is 20, isn't it? So it's x plus 4 times x plus 5. I don't know why I put x there. That's supposed to be a 5. Now we can check that. I'm going to change colors here so you can see it checking. So I'm going to double distribute. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is 5x. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 5 is 20. So I'll combine my like terms. I get x squared plus 9x plus 20. And so that checks. My answer is x plus 4 and x plus 5. The rest of it I was just checking. So let's take a look at example 2 here. Kind of do the same thing. I'm going to go two parentheses, x and x. And then I need two numbers. In this case, they multiply to 12, but they have to add to negative 8. So I know both of them are going to be negative because it has to multiply to a positive. So negative 6 and negative 2 multiplies to 12 and adds to negative 8. So I'll say x minus 6 and x minus 2. You can check that because I'm going to get x squared. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative x, negative 8x, and then negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. Let's take a look at example 3. Now I have a positive and a negative, so I make two parentheses again. I know my x and x. This time I want my bigger number to be positive because it has to multiply to negative 15 and add to 2. So I want a positive 2x, so I'll have positive 5 and negative 2. So I'm going to say x plus 5 or x minus 2. By the way, this is commutative. That is, the order doesn't matter. If you do this problem a different way, and let's say you write x minus 2 times x plus 5, that's the same answer. So don't worry about the order you write these in. Let's take a look at one more. Let's take a look at example 4 here. Oh, I have to have a negative this time. So I'm going to two parentheses. So I'm going to go x and x. This time I want to multiply to negative 18. But I want to add to negative 7. Now that doesn't pop right out to me, except, actually I do think I want, if I go 2 and 9, right? 2 and negative 9 would multiply to negative 18, and 2 plus 9 would be negative 7, so I'll say x plus 2 and x minus 9. And there you have it. That's how you factor polynomials, trinomials, with the leading coefficient of 1. That is, the term in front of x squared is 1. It'll change here if that term in front of x squared is not 1.